Hey, thanks for tuning back into Off-Road Stuff. So you guys know every once in a while I kind of step away from the actual four-wheel driving, the off-road in the regard. You know, I did my my welder setup there, a couple of little projects I've done here and there. But you know, sometimes you got to get some work done before you can go play. You got little chores, some honeydews, whatever. And you know, as you guys can see in the background here, it's a little tore up from some of the rain. And I went out and no, I didn't trade in Reba, but I picked up this gem right here. So let me show you. All right, so I picked up this bad boy right here off Amazon. I want to say it was like $150, $160. It just bolts onto the back. You pull that lever forward and then it lifts this up. I'll put a little video in me using it the other day. And I have this attachment so I could drag the horse pins and everything else. But the problem that I'm having is once you get kind of all the loose stuff off, this thing just kind of bounces across and doesn't really you know, bite and break it up. So this was given to me, and unfortunately these little tines on here are too soft, and all they're going to do is fling horse crap and whatever all over me. So what I'm thinking about doing is attaching it to here, and then I'm going to cut those off, and I'm going to put in some kind of like little mini rippers on there just to kind of go through, break up the ground, the manure or whatever, and then I can come back with this guy and just scrape it all off and kind of make things a little easier. Yeah, it's not very big, and it takes a little while to get some stuff done, but you know what? It gets a hell of a lot more done than I can do with a shovel. So if you guys want to see what I got going on here, if you guys got one of these, interested in what I'm doing, tune in, share with your friends, and we'll see what we can do with this. All right, so I took that bracket off of here because it was just a drag behind, I guess you could call, where it would just kind of follow the trailer, whatever. I want this to lift so I can set it down back into a corner and set it down and pull it out, and then, well, obviously lift it up with the handle. So I got this piece of receiver stock tubing, picked this up from Harbor Freight. The other half is on there, and I think what I can do is just take this and kind of set it like that basically, and just weld it on there, and then I'll drill a hole in here for the pin, and it should pick this thing up just like I want. Well, probably not my best, but you know, we're not building a derby car or nothing, so I think we'll be all right. Car! Had me one of them there squirrel moments, all excited about this thing and welding. I should have drilled a hole through this first for the pin. It would have been a lot easier, but needless to say, this ain't the first time that I've had to deal with anything excited and ahead of myself. So I'm just going to come in here and kind of center. Try to center the batteries. On there. I haven't changed out the little flingers yet, but I just wanted to make sure that my geometry and everything was right. So the lift handle, boom, it goes up, and when it comes down, it's going to basically sit pretty much flat. Yeah, because I'm on my stopper right there. So that's about as low. It might drop just a little bit more, but I think that's going to work. So now I gotta take all the little flipper tines off and make some little rippers that'll go on the bottom of this thing. Alright, so I got it's upside down and I put these little brackets on. I'm gonna put them all the way down because I figured if I just put one here and one there, that this material is not very strong and it's going to start buckling. So I think if I do this, I'm going to put another one here so they're offset all the way down. It should keep this thing from wanting to fold in half on us. Okay, well, we got them welded on there. I forgot to show you guys me welding them, but it's the same process every time. And it's starting to get a little bit cold and dark. So I was just trying to hurry up. Let's throw this bad boy on there and see what it looks like. Alright, let's fire this bad boy up and see how it works. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. Like a champ. It'll do what I need it to do. didn't really get to test it too great. It's getting late. I gotta roll up. Got a big day tomorrow. We got the old Caballo trailer. Got a rodeo to go to. So anyways, we're gonna go out tomorrow evening or Sunday, depends on what time I get back tomorrow. I'll probably put the blade on it and drag all the loose broken up stuff off the top, because I drug it last weekend, but I got all the loose stuff off the top. So now this is just to go in and kind of break it up a little bit so I can put the blade on it and then just scrape more out. But we got a little bit of rain yesterday, well, last couple days actually. So the horses did a pretty good job of getting it churned up. So I might be able to just go in with the blade, and then we'll drop that little rake, ripper, whatever you want to call that thing, and see how she does. So you guys tune in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notifications, and most importantly, be safe, get outside, and do something fun. See you guys later.